To see the Centro Vacacional de Maricao. This is an area where you can come and camp or stay and just enjoy it. Also, if you want to have a day at the park, there's some picnic tables, it looks to be, and some areas where you can enjoy the beauty of this area. Where we were at below was the recreational area with the pool, and these are the little cabañas, that you can rent for stay the night out here when it's open and available. Check it out. Arriving to another waterfall here in Maricao that we've never been to, called El Toro, the Bull. This is really pretty. I'm surprised I've never found it. It's really close to Salto Curet, but right down the road from it. Let's see. Wow, it's got a lot of water. A nice pond. So crystal blue. across the river. My foot. I took off my footprints.
Cannot get away, Nick. How are you going past this water?
San Pedrito. There he is. Look at the pretty little San Pedrito. Aiden, look, the San Pedrito, the little bird. So the last time we were at Salto Curet, we took the truck, which is 4x4, but today we brought the Mustang, so we weren't able to, but so we had to walk a lot longer, but it's still a really pretty walk through here. And then now we're starting to get to the part where I think you would have to take by foot even if you took a regular car. Un gato. Suave, suave. Y mira todos estos.
There's a lot of chickens here.
Aiden, look at how many butterflies.
Yay!
Oh my god.
So pretty. So we're en route to Salto Curet right now, and probably the hardest thing about this waterfall is that you have to walk in the river, or at least right next to the river for some of it, but at least some of it in the actual water. So just be prepared for that if you come. It was quite the walk today. It was a lot harder than I remember it being, but now I think I know why. The water is really flowing. It's going to be a beautiful waterfall. Usually there's a little island, a little area to kind of hang out on the edge here, but today that's completely gone. We'll probably have to go around it to go sit on the rocks. So usually there's a little sandy spit right here in front that I remember. This is pretty cool. A lot of water falling today.
caballito de palo, a caballito de palo. ¡Wow, Erika!